Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. We were on steps of conducting research and we read that the first step is to select the topic for research, and that topic has to be something which you are experiencing and a problem that you see generally people are facing, a topic which is more practical and which will help people in future. Then the second step was to collect the data, and for data you will have to first decide the sample on which you are going to do research on, and then you will collect the data about the sample and the data which is required for your particular research. Now the third step is drawing conclusions. And what does drawing conclusion means? Whatever data that you have collected using different different methods like observation tools or inventories or psychological tests, whatever data that you have collected, you will have to analyze that data using statistics. Different types of statistical methods are used, like if you have heard, there is a descriptive statistics as well as an inferential statistics. So for representing your data in a form of a chart or a graph or a histogram or a polygon, the statistical technique used is descriptive. And then when you need to find an inference of your data and some kind of conclusion you want to draw, you use inferential statistics, which is important. Inferential, which is important in terms of finding out the conclusions of our result. So that particular analysis is required to do by the researcher to compare the data that he has collected and to find the correlation between the cause and effect of the variables that he was researching on. So cause and effect means what causes that particular behavior, what is the correlation of that cause on with that effect. That correlation is required to be found out through the use of statistical technique. So different statistical techniques are used, and after that when you use statistics and you finally find out the conclusion or you find out your result, and you say that your study, whatever research that you have done, is very significant, that is done by verifying the hypothesis that you made earlier. So whatever your hypothesis was, whether it was right or wrong, that you have to verify by analyzing your result. For suppose you were saying that TV viewing increases aggression in children. So if your results are also telling us that what you have researched, what you have found through your research is also telling us, it proves that TV viewing increases aggression in children, and that is what your hypothesis was also there. So you will say that my hypothesis is verified and my research also says that TV viewing increases aggression in children. That is how you conclude your research. But suppose if your hypothesis has proven to be wrong, and it is not that TV viewing is causing aggression in children, it is something else, and what you hypothesized earlier is not correct, then what you have to do is our next step, which we are going to study in the next video. So till this step, you know what you are doing. You are drawing the conclusion and you are taking out the result, analyzing it, and then you are verifying your hypothesis. And if it is not verified, then what we will do, we will revise our research, and that we will study in my next video. Thanks for watching.